So, it's not always use the dolly and lifters. Sometimes we both got to use our Nigerian strength. So this slab here is about 150 kg, but that's nothing to us, you get me? Lift it, dash it on our shoulder, it don't matter. But we're gonna get it out right now. See the Niger strength here now. See, we take all the hinges off. For packaging reasons, I'm going to pass you over to Josh. I'm going to show you why. Every week we're going to do the fastest bridge dismantle challenge. So this is number 1, done by me, Mr. Time-Lapse, and Josh is going to do the next one. And let's see who can get the fastest time. Starting now. Voila! I don't know how long that was because I've got to time it, but there they are. We'll put it at the end of the video. This is kitchen 3 that's been dismantled in the showroom. All dismantled, just finishing up all the wrapping. then yeah, we're good to go. Good to go. But the longest part about this is that we have to carry the whole kitchen up these stairs. But it's what we do on a daily basis, so we just got to get on with it. So let's go. That's what it is. So today it is the 4th of March, it's a Tuesday. This is week 1, episode 1 of designer dismantles and removals. Yesterday we was in London in a showroom, taking out all the kitchens in there. We have 4 kitchens that were on display. Send a link to the kitchens in the descriptions because you might be interested in the kitchens, so I'll link that down below. Today we're supposed to be in Portsmouth to deliver a kitchen, which I took out yesterday and I couldn't make it, unfortunately, because one of my employees decided that he didn't want to come in today, which threw everything out of sync. Absolutely everything out of sync. I mean, yesterday we had to finish work. I got home at 11 o'clock last night because that one man just, you need him sometimes, you know what I mean? To lift, shift, load the van, and we didn't have that yesterday, so it was a bit of a nightmare. But today, Josh, he went to Portsmouth, he delivered it. He had a couple man there that helped him, which was good. So we're back on track, and tomorrow we are in Colchester, where we will be dismantling another lovely kitchen, so stay tuned. Today we're in Colchester dismantling the pop and pole kitchen. At the moment we're just going to work on the worktop here, the main metal piece, the islands. So we'll load it on the van and we'll start the dismantle properly. As you can see, the island has all been dismantled. All the units have been separated. And Josh here wrapping and loading the back of the van. He's got these trolleys here. Take care of our customers, you see? There you go. On the back of the van, I'm ready to be delivered. So next we start on the fridge housing and get these 2 tall units off and ready to be wrapped and put on the van. What you?
I've lost without you by Robin Thicke.
Yeah.
Them tunes, they're so.
What's it?
Yeah.
Proper.
Them tunes will
You
make
say
a
making
girl-
love to the kitchen,
them
yeah?
things, them type of tunes will make a gal. Nah, I go fools.
Yeah.
It's a bit explicit. We're in customers' house, but come. Them type of tunes where you pull it on and you're just. Bro! Done, bro. Done.
We've got the island out. We've got the fridge units out and the fridge. Josh is wrapping it now. We're going to move on to the oven housing. So we're going to take off all the doors, all the drawers out, and then we're going to dismantle and wrap it and load it onto the van. Stay tuned. sometimes when you're dismantling these ovens, you tend to get electricians that don't give you much wire. So if I have to pull this out now, I couldn't drop it to the floor and take out the wires. So what you've got to do sometimes is you just got to find one, move it over here, sir. Get the other one out. Then get to it that way. There you go. So we've got to take these hinges off because when you're packing a van, you don't want these bits scratching on the front of the units, etc. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take them off. So we are nearly done. Half of the kitchen is all dismantled, so all we have left is what you can see here. Yeah. So another hour, we'll be out of here. I mean, we started at 8:30. It's now 10:30, so done well. Done well. Let's see how Josh is getting on. Nephew, how you getting on, bro? All good. All fucking marks, bro. Yeah. All good, brother. No sweat. Oh, hello there. What's all going on tonight? Right, so this is how you pack a van professionally. As you can see, if I just move this tool in it out to the left, you can see that the stonework for the island, that's all been strapped in professionally, all safe. As obviously with a van, you need more of the weight on the driver's side, less than the passenger side, because that's when you'll be in a crash. Anyways, so as you can see, we've got all the light items on the right hand side / driver side. As all the tool units, they've got no doors in it, as the doors has been protected professionally. And obviously it's got all the cardboard edges, everything. It's got, these are the drawers that go in with the tool units, I've stuffed them in. You've got the fridge that is at the front. That's been protected nicely, as you can see. You've got a blanket to protect it, which there will be a blanket over this once I've strapped it. Now on the left hand side, you can see that you've got more of the heavy base cabinets to balance out the van. So literally right now, as you can see down, if you just bring the phone, all of the little bits that will go on lastly, including the two ovens that were inside. So obviously, and then when you obviously strap it all in, get all the little bits right there, probably at the end. You've got a balanced, strapped, and ready for the new client. So on the other end, when we open up the shutters, they will love it. So usually, when we're dismantling and taking off these worktops, we can nudge out the mastic in order to break the seam here, but it seems like this seam is just it's done too tight. So it looks like we're gonna have to get the grinder out and cut a straight line in order to get the worktop off. If we don't do that, we'll lift it, and this bit here, finito. And the client will not be happy. Nice straight cut. Slab is nice and intact and undamaged. So yeah, now to that side. Let's go. So usually, this is what happens. You tap it, and you see that? It came out the seam. Perfect. But that side weren't having it, so we had no choice but to, look at that, so much dust. But we had no choice but to cut it to make sure that the sink run make sure out in one piece to avoid damage. So yeah, we're all good. Time to lift this up, get out of the way, then I'll take the sink out and then just leave those few cabinets. Let's go. Sometimes the longest part of the dismantle is releasing these sinks. But this one looks like it's got a little, don't look too tight. We like to take the sinks off just because when we're lifting this, we like to slide it forward first and lift it. So in order to do that, we have to take the sink out. But sometimes they use so much glue, it's hammering away, trying to release the glue. And at times, the sink don't come out. But you know, we'll deal with it. But this time, let's try and get it out. Let's see what happens. These little bad boys, pump bags, yeah? Josh, tell them about the pump bags, bro. How much weight can these lift? They can, over half a ton. Easy max. We use these for lifting the worktops to break the glue. So it's looking good, looking good. All the granite's on. Just got one more slab. And then we're good to go.
On a whole run.
So let's go. Let's get the last bit out. So it's not always use a dolly and lifters. Sometimes we both got to use our Nigerian strength. So this slab here is about 150 kg, but that's nothing to us, you get me? Lift it, dash it on our shoulder, it don't matter. But we're gonna get it out right now. See the Niger strength here now.
Bruv, how you carry on to 200 kg and what, holding a tripod? Just come with me, man. Dan, what you got to say?
Bro, it's mad out here, man. Sometimes we don't need the lifters. Just straight arm, palm, and dash. Yeah, so today, yeah. Now we're almost done. We're almost done, yeah. That's the last thing to wrap. I just put bubble wrap around that, yeah. And I thought to myself, I managed to go through the day and not cut myself, because we always get cuts, yeah. Look, I stabbed myself with the Stanley knife. We move. So we're finishing up the last few bits. Got the cabinet wraps. Josh is taking off some of the covering parts. But yeah, on to a winner here. On to a winner. We're all done here.
All done, all packed on.
Packed and ready. So
blankets,
we're gonna,
straps, everything's looking good.
yeah, on our way to Colchester now to drop this kitchen off. Hopefully it's a nice little easy delivery. So yeah, we'll check back in when we get there. So we are currently at the delivery address in Ipswich, a place called I. Don't know why it's called I, but I am here right now. My name is Josh, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unload this kitchen into this big space. It's what we like to see, a big area for us to deliver. There you go. Perfect.
Listen, as you can see, customer's happy. She's happy with how it's been dismantled, how it's been wrapped, and how it's been offloaded. So come again tomorrow for another episode of Designer Dismantles. Once again.
As Josh just said, we're all delivered now. The kitchen's in place. What time is it? 3:50. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Dismantled, loaded, and delivered all in one day. And the customer's happy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pack our tools up and head home. So see you tomorrow. So we've managed to finish the dismantle now. Everything's wrapped, loaded, and on the van. We had to shuffle a few things around the van because the kitchen was bigger than expected. But we managed to shuffle some things about. I've got the ovens and that in the back of my car, which I don't really like to do, and I just got it cleaned. I literally just got it cleaned, got it valid. So. But it's all good, the seats are down, others in the back, so we're on our way to Ipswich now to offload this kitchen, and then we are done for the day. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll show you the delivery. Peace out. So Wednesday the 5th of March, Designer Dismantles. We dismantled, delivered the kitchen today in Ipswich. And while I was in Ipswich, the woman asked me, like, if you're doing this all the time, why don't you have your own vans? And I said to her, I do have my own vans. I said, one got stolen last week and the other's been in the mechanic since last November. Now, if you're going to start a removal company, do not buy your own vans. Lease them. Do not buy your vans. Don't look at it and think, oh, it's only £400-500 a month payment. Don't look at it like that, because the maintenance of keeping a van is astronomical. The figures are too high. Like last year, I spent around 20 to 25 grand just maintaining my Mercedes. Fair enough, it made me some money in the long run before that, but when you get hit with that much of a bill for the mechanics, it's not nice. It's a lump sum that you just don't want to hand over, but it has to be done. However, if you're leasing a van, you get your maintenance included, so you do pay a premium. You pay like £1 a month to lease a van, have it maintained. After 2 years, you give the van back. That's another thing. After 2 years, give the van back, you get a new one. Like, it just makes so much sense. It just makes so much sense. So I'm just telling you from now, if you are feeling like you want to start a company, or you've already got a company and you're looking to buy vans, do not do it. Lease them. That's the way forward. So today we are in Birmingham today. I woke up at 4:30 to leave my house to get here for 8 o'clock. So hopefully the guys are there and ready to go. Today we're just loading the kitchen. We ain't got to dismantle it. We just got to load it, slap it on the van, and then the guys will be on their way to Truro. I'm not too sure if I'm saying that right, but correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so that's today. I just went to the services to top up some diesel and that. £1.76. The local garages is like £1.30, £1.40. On top of that, I thought, I'm a bit parched, yeah? A little bit parched. Go to look for some water. One bottle of Buxton water was £2.95, yeah? Tell a lie, it was £4.25. No, it was £3.95 for one bottle of water. However, you get two for £4.50. Like, that's a fucking bargain. I've had enough, bruv. Inflation is nuts. I'm not having it no more. So I just took the water, put it in my pocket, and ducked out, blood. Really people, we're in Birmingham today. We're running the kitchen at KLC Interiors and Design. Today we're taking on black kitchen. And we've got Barry back. Barry's back. Josh. So we're gonna get it done today. Today all we're doing is loading the van. The kitchen has already been dismantled and it's wrapped already. So here's a time lapse of us loading the kitchen. Let's do it. Loaded the kitchen now. Barry's out here. Put the blankets on, make sure the load is safe before they leave. Yeah, it's quick load up, innit? Quick load up, took about half hour. But you didn't see the massive worktop that we put on. But this is it, the load, and they're ready to go. Hold with me, this is the kitchen that we're doing today, dismantling today, and delivering tomorrow. Nice black on black kitchen, all appliances included, nice worktop, and we're going to try and get this out today in order for the guys to deliver it tomorrow morning, hopefully. So give it a crack, get it dismantled and wrapped. Give it a crack, we're going to get it dismantled and wrapped. Lights are off.
We are on our way to Truro, 4 hours and 10 minutes. We're gonna sorry, we just got one coming past. Hold on a minute. He must be listening to a new tune coming out or something, but anyways, yeah, 4 hours and 10 minutes. We're gonna get there just before 2 o'clock. I'm gonna notify the new client with our new kitchen, and then we're gonna come straight back here to this lovely showroom tomorrow morning. Whilst I'm driving, looking at tarmac, Daniel's gonna be dismantling the kitchen for us, probably gonna wrap a few things for us just to get us started for tomorrow, and then that's the whole week successfully done. I'll catch you lot in a bit.
Thursday the 6th of March. It's day 4, Thursday, and the boys are currently in Truro, however you say that place. They're about to deliver now. It's 1:45, they'll be there about 2 o'clock. And I've just been in the showroom, dismantling kitchen, the black kitchen, the black on black, which looks nice. So this it's all wrapped up and ready to go to Southampton tomorrow. So now I'm on my way to the hotel. Well, I got myself an apartment actually. So we're staying in an apartment tonight, and I'll just wait for the boys to come back, and then we'll go out some food, go and get some food, and for the time being, I'll just do some paperwork, I guess. But yeah, good day. And for this clip, you will see me dismantling the kitchen. Yeah. So it is, yo Bazza, what's the date today? What's the date today? 7th? Yeah? It's the 7th of March, 2025. And we are in Birmingham at the moment. We are about to head on a 20-minute drive to the other side of Birmingham to take out the rest of the kitchen that we started yesterday. And Baz's over there dancing. So that's the play for today. Luckily we ain't got to dismantle the whole kitchen. It's all been dismantled, wrapped, it's ready to be loaded on a van. So should be there for like an hour and a half tops, and then these man can go to Southampton and deliver the kitchen. Peace. Hi, I'm just testing if these mics work properly. Bazzy got a fat head in it, so shut up. So bro, on a real, these wheels are legit. Like I said, I went to my man and I said to him, like, bro, where did he get these fucking wheels from? Like, where did he get it from? Anyways, he gave me a little story. But on a real, for one, they're flat free, so you don't need to pump them up and all of that, which is good. They're quite very strong. So when I lifted up that fridge right there, obviously, bro, these wheels lifted it up like it was nothing, to be honest. So we're winning. Get me? Yo, nice. We're back at KLC Interiors. We're here loading the kitchen now. We've got Barry putting the fridge on. I dismantled the whole kitchen yesterday. It's all bubble wrapped and it's ready to go. So all we got to do is just slap it on the van. And these men are going to Southampton today to deliver it. So should be an easy day. It's Friday, the 7th. So easy day for everyone. I hope. We'll see.
Storm.
What's going on, my people? This week is come to a close. The guys are currently in Southampton now, delivering the kitchen. So yeah, I tried to get some footage today of me speaking, and I bought these new microphones, but I forgot to link the microphone to the receiver, so there's no audio, which is annoying because I have some funny jokes on there, but it's alright. We live and we learn, and we go again next week. So yeah, today is done. We're finished for the week, and we go again next week. So that concludes episode 1 of Designer Dismantles Weekly. So I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.